Hello, friends. Welcome to Road to Financial Freedom and Early Retirement channel. Today, I'm going to discuss three stocks to buy and three stocks to sell in November. The first one is DoorDash, ticker symbol DASH. As you know, DoorDash is a major food delivery and logistic platform which is uh, which is doing business in North America plus international as well. And DoorDash is connecting consumers, merchants with the delivery. Analyst target is buy right now, although the stock was down in last couple of sessions and is up today. Price target is US $214, and some have even provide higher targets, that is 260. So right now stock is trading as $203. And on the Yahoo, the target is 302. DoorDash has a strong growth engine, orders and market position is strong. Potential for further monetizations, that is ad and logistics. And the business is cost intensive. Ramping logistic investment may hurt margins, but recent some concerns about cost and dilution of margins have provided the price to drop. However, I'm not looking at 100% at the fundamentals or other aspect. What I'm looking for is strictly in terms of the technicals. And what I'm looking for is a couple of strategies here. One is you buy and sell within $2 range. For example, you bought DoorDash today as $204 and you will sell it at $206. So you are just in there for just a short duration of time. That is, buy 100 shares, have $2 margin. When it reaches your $2 goal, you just sell it. Or second strategy is you buy and then you keep it up for longer duration. You can keep it this up to the analyst target or whichever is comfortable um, within your portfolio. Now looking at the technicals, again we are looking at stock chart for DoorDash, ticker symbol DASH. As you can see here, DoorDash was at $163, then it went all the way up to $285, and now is trading at about 195 to $206 range. So for example, right now we just looked at the price $204. So it is down from 285 to 204. Looking at the MACD, you can see the histogram is seems to be coming up because it has gone down so much. Looking at the stochastics, you can see this one is also have gone really down. And so I feel that DoorDash is about to bounce somewhat. And again, the the target upside is there. A good thematic growth stock, and technical chart shows a new buy point. And if you're comfortable with the risk, DoorDash DSH may be a reasonable buy. Second in our chart is a company called PTC. I'll bring up the chart for that. PTC provides engineering and design software, that is CAD, PLM, and also an AI reality solutions for industrial companies. The analyst rating right now is a buy. The stock is at $176.37 as of recording this video. Price target averaged is 192, uh, and RBC Capital has raised target to 224. Yahoo Finance has given the target 225. So 176 to 225. So there is a room to go upside. There was a news of potential acquisitions by a peer which got shelved. That has impacted sentiment. But this is a solid buy candidate if you believe the growth story and technical confirms a breakout. So let's look at the technicals for PTC. As you can see, the stock was at around 220. Now it has gone down to approximately 172. Looking at MACD and slow stochastics, you can see it's in oversold territory. And this histogram is seems to be coming up shortly. So this is another candidate. Same strategy. If you think this is a rationalized candidate to buy, this is a good entry point. If you enter somewhere around 176 to 180, 185 range, the short term target I would say is whenever you buy something, you just sell it within the $2 range, making $200 quick profit. Or if you want to keep this for a longer term, there is a room to grow. 176 to 225, we just saw the price target for this stock. Third one in our list to buy is company called, and I have the ticker symbol is called FTNT, Fortinet Incorporation. Fortinet right now is trading as $80.65. And let me grab the information for Fortinet. Yes, the Fortinet is a cybersecurity company, provides network security, firewalls, software-defined perimeter, and cloud security. Again, this is a strong cybersecurity secular growth stock, and technicals are aligning for a breakout, sector strength, and this could be a thematic buy again. What I'm looking for is the buy point here. The stock has gone down. We'll just look at the technical in few seconds, but the first year target is given by Yahoo Finance is 90. And let's look at the technicals and then we'll see FTNT. The one of the strategies that I use it when buying stock is, and then this is just one of the strategies, is that if it is under 200-day moving average, the one with the pink color, uh, then it's a good buy because the stock has already been oversold. The stock was at approximately 115 range. Now it's trading at $80. So about $35 gone down. It's a good buy point. Looking at least looking at just the chart here, I would say this is a good buy point for a quick profit. If you are looking at from 80 to 85 range to enter, you may be able to do a quick profit, or maybe you can keep this for a longer period. And the 200-day moving average is at about 90. So even if you buy somewhere in an 80 range, there is a room to grow for at least $10 or more. So these were three candidates to buy: DoorDash, PTC, and FTNT. And now let's look at the three stocks to sell. And I will get the information from three stocks to sell here. The first one in our list is CMI, Cummins Inc. And I'll get the Yahoo information here. Is ticker symbol CMI. Cummins designs, manufactures, distributes diesel and natural gas engines, power generation, and related components. Analyst target somewhere around $408, which actually implies a downside of about approximately 6 to 8%. Other sources, average price target is 361 from Fintel, and some other analysts have given the target of 262 to 483. Some have given price target as high as 430, but it suggests possible downside. Now here I'm just looking at strictly on the technical side. Cumin is a well-established company, but if you are in the market for some time, you know that not everything goes in a linear. Every stock will have 52-week low and high, so not every stock goes in just one direction. There will be a misplaced here and there. So 444 is the price target given by Yahoo Finance. The stock is even higher than that, 479. And this is one of the stronger sell candidates because of the technicals I'm looking at. Let's look at the chart, and you will understand why this is the prime candidate to pull back. As you can see, somewhere in April or May, the stock was 258. So from 258, it has reached all the way to 477 or around that range. Um, the stock, the gap here between 200 moving average one with the pink and the current price is really high. Looking at Bollinger Bands, you can see the price has crossed Bollinger Bands. Um, and yeah, looking at all the technicals, I see there is a pullback is imminent. Look at the MACD histogram. It has gone up, up, and up. There's a possibility that it will just go down. Same say here, slow stochastics. We are here. It has reached to 81 level, and in the past, as you can see, this level, the stock came down. And yes, so if you have CMI in your portfolio, it may be a time to trim down somewhat, or if you want, you can sell this and look for a better opportunity to enter the stock. This second one is company called JCI, and I'll get the information from that. Johnson Controls International. So JCI provides building technologies, energy solutions, HVAC equipment, fire and security systems, large industrial construction related company. Currently trading at $122.42 as of November 7 as of the recording date. The the target for analyst average target is somewhere around 177. Some other targets are 150. Jax has 103. Guru Focus has $77. So targets are modest to negative, indicating that analysts see limited upside or potential downside. And if technicals show weakness or breakdown, this stock might be ripe for a sell. And the only reason is, even though the company may be strong, at some point there will be some pullback. Here, if you can see, the 52-week range was 68 to 122. The analyst average target on Yahoo Finance is $107. And let's look at the technicals for JCI. Again, what factors that I'll be looking for when trimming positions or maybe selling is the at least three or four technical indicators. One is the stock is how far stock has moved. So from the last breakout, the stock was at $77. So 77 stock has reached $222. So quite a significant upside has already been captured. Looking at Bollinger Band, the one with this one, 8 is at the upper band, and you can see the distance between these two bends has grown quite wide. Looking at the MACD histogram, you can see this has gone up and up and up. So there may be some pullback might be coming up. And again, we are looking at slow stochastics in the range of 90. So there is some pullback maybe coming down. So again, if you're JCI, maybe time to trim your position or maybe sell this and wait for the a good